This video was made by a gentleman called Thomas Dohmke, the CEO of GitHub, one of the biggest developer platforms in the world. Come with me to my computer and let's watch this video.
First of all, I strongly believe that every kid, every child should learn coding. And we should actually teach them coding in school in the same way that we teach them physics and geography and literacy and math and whatnot. Those are all fundamental skills. Coding is one such skill, and it just has taken us too long to actually realize that. Because software is everywhere, hardware is also everywhere. We carry both software and hardware with us through our day, and in fact, our day-to-day is dominated by software already. You can't really live your life, travel, wake up in the morning without software anymore. And I think as humans, it is crucial to not only be in read-only mode, but also be able to create things ourselves, or at least understand how creation is done on these devices. That doesn't mean that every 18, 19-year-old, when they leave high school, become a software developer, in the same way that not every kid that learns physics or chemistry in school becomes a physicist, right? Just because you learn those fundamental skills doesn't mean that you decide for yourself that that's the career path to take. So that's number one, you gotta learn coding. I think number two is you gotta use AI to do that. And whether it's here in Korea or in Germany, most kids, and in fact, most people don't speak fluent English, which is the primary language of software development. And so it democratizes access to technology. And that's true for many other things in the world. And so having an agent available that answers you any question, but also lets you, realize your dream, building your dream, is incredibly exciting. And then the third thing, for anyone who is already a software developer or wants to, develop their craft, is you gotta keep rehearsing, you gotta keep training, you gotta keep learning. You're never done with learning. If I look back 30 years of what development looked like back then and what it looks like now, I would have been, very behind if I hadn't constantly read blog posts, literature, and tried out things myself. So I think those are as crucial as they were in the 90s. They're still crucial in 2025. We just have so much more access to information to become, top of the field.
So those are Thomas's 3 reasons on why every young person should learn programming.